Global experts nagtipon sa Pangasinan State University para sa isang international conference. Para sa detalye, alamin sa ulat ni Idol Juana De Vera.
104.7 IFM Report!
Kasalukuyang isinasagawa ang International Conference on Technology, Social Science, Business, Agriculture and Fisheries o ICTS-BAF 2025 na inorganisa ng Pangasinan State University kasama ang Commission on Higher Education Region 1, Caraga State University at Thu Duc College of Technology mula Vietnam. Binibigyang diin sa nasabing conference ang malaking tulong ng mga research o pag-aaral upang makabuo ng mga bagong kagamitan at solusyon para sa iba't ibang sektor tulad ng agrikultura, teknolohiya, negosyo, social science at pangisdaan.
We don't just conduct research just for promotion. We don't conduct research just only for our professional growth and development, but we conduct research to solve problems of the society. And in that way, we are helping achieve our sustainable development goals in the fishery sector, agricultural, in the environment, in the community.
Maganda rin umanong oportunidad ang conference para sa mas malawak na kolaborasyon sa pagitan ng mga akademikong institusyon upang maibahagi ang kani-kanilang pag-aaral na makatutulong sa patuloy na pagbabago sa mga nabanggit na sektor, lalo na sa usaping teknolohiya. Ayon kay Professor Huang Nguyen, head ng Department of Software Engineering ng Thu Duc College of Technology sa Vietnam at keynote speaker ng conference, isa ito sa mahahalagang kaganapan na nagpapakita ng importansya at kakayahan ng mga pag-aaral at nagbibigay daan upang maibahagi ang mga ito sa internasyonal na antas.
This is such a very great opportunities for all of us to share our knowledge and also our research and our experiences in carrying our research on problems in our countries, because in my sharing, AI is growing very fast. And also challenges are growing very fast as well. And because the challenges across nations, so the international conference is a place for all nations come together and look for the solution as well. Yeah.
Nasa 240 research presentations ang tampok sa ICTS-BAF 2025 na tumatalakay sa mga issue at inobasyon sa sustainable development, economic growth, technological advancement at agricultural innovation. Kasama mula rito sa IFM Dagupan, ito si Idol Juana De Vera, Tatak IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News.